Hey, if you're the parent of a child who's struggling with a substance use disorder and your child has gone to treatment, this is the perfect time for you to do two things. First of all, I know how that is. I know it's like, finally, you got some relief. They're on there's some hope there. There's some hope that things are going to get better for them and for you. And it's just like this huge weight off of your shoulders. And that's great. You need to, number one, take the time out for yourself to relax and to get some rest and recuperation during this time. Um, have a little getaway, whatever you can do within your budget that's reasonable, do that. Number two, second most important thing here is that you have to further your education on addiction. No matter where you are on this journey, there's always more to learn. So spend some time working on learning more about addiction. Learn how to improve your communication skills. That is probably the most important aspect. Like the whole psychology of how to communicate better with your child and with the rest of your family members, and how to build those relationships and make those relationships better. And here's the thing, I know that you may be thinking, depending on where you are on this journey, that your child is the one with the problem. You don't need to work on yourself. But believe me, you need to work on yourself, because you're going to need to build up your resilience, learn to become more resilient. And because they kind of have a communication deficit to some extent while they're going through this, you're going to need to be even better at your communication and your understanding of the problem. All right, that's it for today. I hope this helps, and think carefully about what I just said.